man. Blogger/vlog. I give y'all some of that life and I give y'all some of my life, man. It's a true Baltimore vlog right here, man. Sunday vibes, y'all know what's going on, man. We eating crabs. We down here with the bikes out, the crabs out, the shoes on the wire, straight.
I'm a young baller.
Shout out to the good brother in TMZBaltimore, #1 city in the fucking country, in the world for real. That's saying I'm the king of this shit. Be the president of this shit. You know what I'm saying? King of my section. Niggas know what it is, you know what it is.
Alrighty.
Out here cooling on a Sunday for real, man, they vibing out.
Real shit.
Ain't worrying about shit.
I ain't gonna show my ass.
Real shit. You ready to turn that bitch around?
Alright, yo, somebody want it?
Chilling right now. You couldn't wait for me to say that. Look.
Honey pack.
Yeah, regular honey pack.
Who told you about that, my man?
Nobody.
Stay off YouTube. How you know about it?
She the first nigga doing that shit.
Real shit.
Straight up. Gotta give you flowers, yo.
Alrighty, bro.
Now motherfuckers YouTube paying motherfucking millions, hundreds of thousands, all type of crazy ass numbers. You wouldn't even believe. Shorty started that shit.
What made you come down here though?
Shit, I'm just down this bitch getting footage for real.
Through the city.
My people over there eating crabs. Now I got the bikes. Now I'm about to put this bitch together. Some crabs and bikes out. You feel me?
Look, when we see the post, we gonna know, like, alright.
Real shit. TMZBaltimore.
You
Yeah.
had your own shit though, then.
That is my shit.
That's it.
Yeah, that's my shit.
Got 100 views on that bitch. That's why I said.
Nigga, that page is viral, nigga.
Oh yeah.
That's all.
Y'all go ahead. Y'all wanna shout y'allself out? Go ahead.
Yeah, shit, y'all already know what it is. Jay from the 6.
Y'all know what's going on.
KX85 work, you feel me?
Yeah.
Man, go lay down.
Wait, don't
Man, go lay down.
make that shit look.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YC10Z. You feel me? Blogger/vlog. I give y'all some of their life and I give y'all some of my life. Make sure y'all tune in. Hit that like button, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't got no intro, but this is the intro. You feel me?
Y'all, I'm Entrepreneur and I'm live with Mr. TMZBaltimore.
TMZBaltimore, man. I give y'all some of their life and I give y'all some of my life.
Okay. Yeah. Don't play with him. Y'all know where to find my man at. Mr. TMZBaltimore. Oh, I'm coming. Chill. Tell that nigga chill. I'm coming, y'all. Yeah. But anyway, we outside. Make sure y'all tap in, follow the motherfucking page, TMZBaltimore. He going up, he going live.
TMZ, man. Blogger/vlog. I give y'all some of their life and I give y'all some of my life, man. It's a true Baltimore vlog right here, man. Sunday vibes, y'all know what's going on, man. We eating crabs. We down here with the bikes out, the crabs out, the shoes on the wire, straight Baltimore wire. You feel me? Y'all know what's going on, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. You ready to get straight into it, man. It's an epic vlog. Y'all know what's going on. Shit.
She the first nigga doing that shit.
Real shit.
Straight up. Gotta give you flowers, yo.
Alrighty, bro.
Now motherfuckers YouTube paying motherfucking millions, hundreds of thousands, all type of crazy ass numbers. You wouldn't even believe. Shorty started that shit.
What made you come down here though?
Shit, I'm just down this bitch getting footage for real.
Through the city.
My people over there eating crabs. Now I got the bikes. Now I'm about to put this bitch together. Some crabs and bikes out. You feel me?
Look, when we see the post, we gonna know, like, alright.
Real shit. TMZBaltimore.
You
Yeah.
had your own shit though, then.
That is my shit.
That's it.
Yeah, that's my shit.
Got 100 views on that bitch. That's why I said.
Nigga, that page is viral, nigga.
Oh yeah.
That's all.
Y'all go ahead. Y'all wanna shout y'allself out? Go ahead.
Yeah, shit, y'all already know what it is. Jay from the 6.
Y'all know what's going on.
KX85 work, you feel me?
Yeah.
Man, go lay down.
Wait, don't
Man, go lay down.
make that shit look good.
That shit popped up, bro.
Nigga said, you see I got Tate trying to pick his wheel up higher. You see I got my man Tate trying to pick that wheel up.
Oh man.
Yeah. Look, you see trying to talk my shit. Now he trying to really lift that bitch.
Huh? Yeah, hell yeah. You know I'm like that bitch out the camera.
That's Mr. Smack 'em all.
We can go over there.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Yeah, we can go right there. Cause
Shit, it don't matter. Go over that bitch.
Spot right here playing by the water. I ain't with that.
Hell yeah.
Everybody get this bitch.
Fuck the whole year up.
Yeah, we gonna go over there.
Push over there.
Hell yeah.
Take a walk with the six. Yeah, we can go right there. Cause
Shit, it don't matter. Go over that bitch.
Spot right here playing by the water. I ain't with that. Might go in the water. Nigga
Yeah.
playing everybody get this bitch.
Fuck the whole year up.
Yeah, we gonna go over there.
Push over there.
Hell yeah.
Take a walk with the six. You know what I mean?
I got y'all. Y'all know what's
Niggas that take a walk with the six, you gonna walk with, you know what I mean?
going on. Y'all know what's going on, man. That shit popped up, bro.
Oh, yeah, let me get it.
I was gonna say, if you need it, I'll pull the page up for you. I don't know.
Hey, yo, niggas be mad as shit be going that shit. I almost won this motherfucker last time.
Hitting that bitch down by the water with it. Yeah, I'm with my cousin Kaya, y'all know. She behind the camera. We out here. They ready to eat crab. We might jump in the harbor. I don't know yet. But and this for all the haters that be talking and shit. Y'all see these rocks? This for all the haters that be talking shit. Kick rocks, motherfucker. Hey man, get over here before you fall in that water.
What?
Now what if your body would have flung out there like that? Then what? I'm not jumping in there.
Look at Aunt Nikki. She running to the tables.
Stop running, move man, before you slip and fall in there. They need a little bit of clean water in this one. Oh my God, I almost fell in there.
Up and told me you ain't picking it up unless you get some credit. You mean for brown? Yeah, I think so. Petty. Who the fuck is this?
Say what's up, Kai.
Big name Nikki. Name ain't no code.
Y'all, these ghetto motherfuckers. Look at these ghetto motherfuckers.
We gonna get her.
Look at this shit. Kai, say what's up.
I look cute. You got the butter? Yeah. Oh, cause I was really mad.
Sis, say what's up.
What's
Ghetto
up?
motherfucker.
Get her.
No.
My fine.
Down here by the water eating crab.
Excuse me. What's up?
Oh my God, I got shoes on.
You always gotta get some short. What's that
Kai,
called too?
this look crazy.
Always ugly. Somebody clicked my phone last night.
Me too. I cut my phone.
Honey pack.
You did honey pack.
Who told you about that, my man?
Nobody.
Stay off YouTube. How you know about it?
Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? Hell yeah, that motherfucker. Oh shit!
Light though, so it might be on.
As long as we slow down.
Yeah, you was up a little high.
I give you that. You looking a little bit. You might be a little bit better than me now. Just a little bit better than me now.
But I'm gonna show y'all something. Set my blunt down.
Bro, shit.
Yeah, spank him. Big bro, Mr. Spank anything you put him on. It don't matter what it is, he's gonna strike you.
Bro, shit. Hell yeah.
Hey, no.
That's a little something.
Bro, shit.
No, I'm burnt out. No, I'm burnt out. Go ahead. No, I'm burnt out.
Who said no?
I ain't saying about nothing. I need that stretch, yo. I don't like the short shit.
Yeah, don't do it now.
As soon as I get one shit, that's short. What it like? Y'all like more? But y'all gotta remember cutting them gas back on too. I don't think you did.
Nah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I be trying to leave my gas line off when I first started. That way it burn all that.
Get that from though, yo.
Because when I first got
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Shout out to the good brother here in TMZBaltimore, the #1 city in the fucking country, in the world for real. I'm saying I'm the king of this shit. Be the president of this shit. You know what I'm saying? King of my section. Niggas know what it is, you know what it is.
Alrighty.
Out here cooling on a Sunday for real, man. Made vibes out.
Bro, shit.
Ain't worrying about shit.
Food out this bitch.
Nah, man. I wanted to get on the bike. I could have jumped on my yacht. This parked out Essex. I could have jumped in my G-Wagon. I could have jumped in a CLK 55 coupe. I could have made in my $500,000 house for real. Niggas know what it is. No cat.
Bro, shit. Yo, dragging. Got the helicopter out this bitch. Cook something, man? Chillin'. I'm a vlogger, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. My page called TMZBaltimore.
What is it? TMZ?
TMZ, yeah.
TMZ Baltimore?
Yeah. Dang. You ever caught something before?
This is the first time I've ever been out over here.
For real?
Just kind of messing around, yeah.
Oh, y'all was waiting for an outro? I ain't got no outro.